guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Stephanie and I help creative entrepreneurs with their online businesses, whether it's the tech, different tutorials, strategies, tips, I've got it all for you. All right, so today we're going to continue on with our TikTok series, and in the last video, which now will have over 10,000 views and a lot of comments, we're going to continue on with the green screen feature of using a pre-recorded video and a photo from your phone and then use that as your TikTok. So these are things that are already on your phone that you can just take and then turn it into a TikTok. And again, some of you do not have that feature of the green screen. I don't know why, but I'm going to go through it again. Today's June 3rd, 2021. I'm going to show you that I do still have this feature on my TikTok. I do have a business account, I believe, so you may want to play around and just double check with your settings to see that you do have this feature. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take a pre-recorded video from our phone and a photo from our phone, and we're going to combine them together for our TikTok. It's really easy. You're going to need the green screen features, and let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you're struggling with. All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys, so we are on my TikTok. We're going to combine a pre-recorded video and a photo from my phone. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is click at the bottom this plus sign as you are going to be creating a new TikTok. Popping on the screen, just go ahead and flip the camera up here. And you're going to see at the bottom effects. Go ahead and click effects. Now listen carefully. This is where it can get tricky. Go ahead and slide over to the right. As you can see, I'm sliding over. It says green screen right here. Just slide at the top, click green screen. As you can see, it's June 3rd, 2021, and I still have green screen showing up. Okay, now you're going to go to the second one right here with the arrow pointing up. If you are still showing up, go ahead and flip your screen again. You don't want to be in the camera up here. Okay, go ahead. You do not want to upload. If your videos are not showing up, click the bottom effects again. And now you're going to see these videos popping up here. This is the trick, guys. You have to have your videos picked from here, not uploaded. So go ahead and pick the video that you want. I'm going to go ahead and just pick randomly. I'm going to pick this one. And I'm going to click next. Okay, see? Now the video has popped up and I can record the recorded video. So I'm going to go ahead and record this by pushing the button right here. Okay? So I'm done with this. If you can see right here, I just recorded my recorded video. And if you can see up at the top, it's blue. That's how much time I have left to add a photo. So now, before I go and finish off with the red check mark here, go back to the effects. Now we're going to add a photo. Let's go ahead and click on the first one with the arrow down. And click yourself out of by flipping the screen. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and click on the effects again. See, this popped up here. You do not want to upload. You're going to go ahead and just click a photo. This is just stuff from my Poshmark account, so I'm just going to pick these funky pair of pants. All right, now I am just going to click the red button and record my photo. So I'm going to do that now. However long you want. Okay, so now, if you can see, I'm gonna be finished with this TikTok. I have this much up here of the video and then this much of the photo that I recorded. Click on the check mark. And here we go. And that's it, however long. All right. So now you can add however long sounds if you want. So go ahead and you can add, so you wanted to add a sound. Click next. And you can add stickers and all that good stuff. So that's really what it is. Remember the key, guys, you have to be able to have that screen pop up. Do not upload your, do not upload where it says upload. You've got to have, this is the key. This has to pop up. And then you choose from here. Because if you go back, let me just show you. Okay, let me just start over. If you do it this way, let me show you the wrong way to do it. So if you do it this way, you click on your green screen, and then you click on this, whoops, wrong one. And you click on this one, and you click on upload, it's not gonna work. Not gonna work, because look what happens. You can't record anything. It will go right to the end of your TikTok. So you need that record button, and you're going to record your recording. I hope that makes sense. All right, guys. So go ahead and re-watch this video. If you are stuck somewhere, make sure you really followed it, and you will absolutely be able to get all these features. And hopefully this was helpful for you. Let me know if there is anything else that you want to learn about, whether it's TikTok or any type of tech. I am always open to your suggestions. Thank you so much for the lovely comments and the support. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button for all future videos. And go ahead, go get them on TikTok.